So hey everybody, happy Saturday. You're here with Rich. I'm sitting outside of the Airstream and it is messy hair day today because I was wearing my hat and it just would have completely blacked out my face. So I figured, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and skip the hat for now and just make the messy hair excuse. So this morning I put together a new little video for a fun little thing, a weekend film fest put on by the guys Colin and Samir. They are YouTubers and I follow along with them, and they've started this fun little weekend film fest. So today's one I really wanted to do. I read it last night what they were looking for, and they were looking for they wanted to know where everybody was from, and so I am from Prescott now after years of using this as my home base. And so I put the video together, and it made me think about doing an impromptu video today for this channel. So for RV'ers, where is your hometown? Do you have a hometown? I think most of us really do have a hometown. Several people are full-on nomad, but I think that everyone still has a place that they call home. For me, it's now Prescott, Arizona. When I was first traveling the country with my Airstream in 2006 and 2007, when somebody asked me where I was from, I said New Hampshire. I've noticed in recent years I now say Prescott, so that is now my hometown. All right, let's pop over to the video real quick that I posted up for the Weekend Film Fest, and it's just a fun 60-second video of your hometown. So for RV'ers, I know a lot of us do have hometowns and home bases, and some RV'ers still have homes, others are full-time RV'ers, but there are some things about having a hometown that are important, like for instance, getting your mail. So a lot of full-time RV'ers use services from all over the country. In the Dakotas and Texas and Florida, there are companies out there that will get your mail for you, let you register your vehicle, do your driver's license. So for some full-time RV'ers, they don't really need a hometown. They've fully committed to an RV lifestyle, and so they're using one of these services. In my case, where does my mail go? My mail goes to Prescott, Arizona. Now, when I first started staying in Prescott, I still hadn't done an address change or anything, but interestingly enough, mail started finding me here. I remember in 2007, so I'd been here for just a couple of months, my renewal for my ham radio license showed up here in Prescott. I hadn't given a forwarding address. I hadn't officially changed an address. I had been using a post office box from back in New Hampshire. So the fact that my ham radio license renewal showed up here kind of blew my mind. I said, wow, they can really find you anywhere. It doesn't matter if you do or don't give a forwarding address. Somehow the mail finds you. By the way, I don't know about you guys if you're full-timers or thinking about it, but does it blow you away too that in this digital age, paper mail still not only hunts you down but plagues you? I have so many companies that I do my online with, that I pay online, pay the bills online, have accounts online, and they still send me paper mail. So, okay guys, thanks for the cell phone bill that I already paid online. And I love the fact that there's like 5 pages about my bill. I signed up for paperless billing. Let's go paperless. I know you love your paper. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed my little 60-second hometown, and pop a comment in the comments below. Let me know what's your hometown, or are you using one of the mail forwarding services, and have you registered in one of the states where you really don't live, but they collect everything for you and send it along. I'd love to hear if you've got a hometown, or if you're fully committed and full timing in your RV and don't consider anywhere home anymore.